Today, our car tester, Sascha Knapp, tests the new Range Rover Sport. Since people seldom actually take it off-road, Land Rover has concentrated on making the vehicle better on the road itself. We'll be testing it here at a small airfield in Meinertagen. First, Sascha drives slalom through a series of traffic cones. But before we test the chassis, let's see how the design has changed. The youngest generation of the Range Rover Sport has a powerful, dynamic appearance. Compared with its predecessor, its wheelbase has increased by almost 18 centimetres, and the car itself is almost 6 centimetres longer. Short overhangs improve the aerodynamics. The interior boasts well-crafted, high-quality materials. Lots of carbon fibre, polished aluminium and leather give the British car a sporty, luxurious look. And now the slalom through the traffic cones. The new Range Rover Sport is built entirely of aluminium, making it 420 kilograms lighter than its predecessor. This radical diet means the SUV runs relatively dynamically and sportily on the road, even though it still weighs more than 2 tons. The air-suspended chassis now has stiffer bearings and larger stabilizers, a noticeable improvement when making rapid maneuvers. The new Range Rover Sport took the obstacle course with such sporty dynamic ease that Sascha says its handling has caught up with the Porsche Cayenne and the BMW X5. The 3-litre diesel engine in our car accelerates it from 0 to 100 kilometres an hour in 7.2 seconds. The engine's 215 kilowatts give the SUV an electronically limited top speed of 210 kilometres an hour. The manufacturer rates its CO2 emissions at 199 grams per kilometre. That's high but acceptable when compared with other SUVs. A hybrid-driven version is in the works and expected to reduce fuel consumption to 5 litres per 100 kilometres. We'll see. We've seen how the Range Rover Sport performs on the road, but now Sascha wants to see what it can do off-road. A little test track has been set up, but it's very narrow. Sascha shows how it damaged a previously tested sports wheel rim. To avoid damaging the new car, we'll use the old one. To stay on the safe side, our tester has brought in a professional, instructor Thomas Capelli. He'll take the car through the test track. Thomas Capelli explains that we'll deal with the narrowness of the course by using the camera system. The Range Rover Sport has 5 cameras. The car can be guided with centimetre-close precision using the 2 outside mirror cameras. That takes some getting used to, but the driver can see how the wheels respond to every movement of the steering wheel. The course is narrow, but the cameras give the driver complete control. And good control is crucial when driving off-road. Patience and precision are how you avoid damage. Next comes a real test of the Range Rover Sport's stamina. Thomas Capelli notes the heavy burden on the left front and right rear. The left rear and right front bear little or no weight, putting tremendous torsion and pressure on the body. But that is all compensated, and right and left, front and back are all crosswise decompressed. The wheels briefly spin, the systems strain, and the vehicle keeps moving, showing that it can manage off-road conditions well. As the instructor says, anyone can let a wheel drop half a metre to hit the ground, but it's nice when that doesn't shake you up inside the car. The Range Rover Sport is now available from German dealers. For now, 3 different engines are on offer, 2 diesels and a 5-litre V8 gasoline engine. Sasha says the starting price of the new Range Rover Sport is €25,000 lower than for its predecessor, down to €60,000. But if you want a V8 compressor engine, that will cost you €88,000. A few extras soon put you over €100,000, so most people will have to think twice about whether they can afford it.